Welcome, beautiful people. How are you doing? Today, we are going to learn how to remove blank row in Microsoft Excel from your database so that you can apply another function or formulas in your Excel sheet to get your desired result. Many times when we extract reports from the different tools or software or financial software, we are getting report in such a format that there would be blank row available in your database or sheet, and there would be possibilities that you will have basically blank column also. So how to remove blank row from the database? Let's say if you have 2 rows or 3 rows in your database, then you can remove the blank row by selecting the row, right click and delete. Now, if you have database, long database, like you have 5,000 rows in your spreadsheet in which you have multiple blank rows, so how you are going to remove? Let's focus on my screen. We are going to teach you very simple step. First, you need to click on corner of the screen. Just focus on my mouse pointer. Select your entire screen. Then click on Home tab. Then go to Find and Select. Then choose the option Go to. Once you click in Go to, one window will appear. Click on Special. Then another multiple option you will have in your screen. Choose the option blank, right? Click on OK. As you will click on OK, Excel will highlight all the blank rows and column. Then again you will have to go to Home tab. Then come down to option called Delete Cell. As you can see my cursor. Here you can choose option delete sheet row or delete sheet column as per your requirement. I am going to choose delete sheet row. Click there. Now you can see that all the blank row has been deleted by the Excel. Second time again we are going to repeat this exercise. See, we have list of information, multiple rows. Here we can see there are multiple gap or blank rows. We have to remove here 2 rows, here 3 rows, here 2 rows. So how we will do that? Select entire sheet from the corner of your Excel. Go to Home tab. Go to Finance. Sorry. Go to Home tab. Then click on Find and Select. Then go to option called Go to. One small box will appear. Click on Special. There will be multiple options. Choose the option blank. Click on OK. All the blank cell highlighted by the Excel. Then again go to Home tab. Then click on Delete option. Then you have to choose Delete Sheet row. As you will click on this, all the blank row will be deleted by the Excel. Now you can apply another formulas or function as per your requirement because all the blank rows or column has been deleted.